Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Easy Car Electrics. Today we're exploring something that can save you hundreds in repairs: mass airflow sensor cleaners. If your car has been running rough or your fuel economy isn't what it used to be, this video might solve your problem. First, let's quickly understand what an MAF sensor does. Think of it as your engine's air traffic controller. It measures the air flowing into your engine and tells your car's computer exactly how much fuel to inject. When this sensor gets dirty, and trust me, they all do eventually, your engine's performance can take a serious hit. You might notice your car hesitating during acceleration, rough idling, or burning more fuel than usual. The good news, a good cleaning might be all you need. But here's the catch: you can't just use any cleaner. You need something designed explicitly for MAF sensors. I've thoroughly researched the market and tested various products to offer you the best options. Let's break down the top contenders, starting with our winner. Our top pick is the CRC MAF Sensor Cleaner. What makes it unique? It uses Cozol technology, specifically designed to dissolve sensor contaminants without leaving any residue. This is crucial because any leftover residue can affect sensor readings. What I love about this product is that it improves torque and horsepower while helping with fuel economy. It's a win-win-win situation. The WD40 Specialist Electrical Contact Cleaner is second. Don't confuse this with regular WD40. It's their specialist formula. What's fantastic about this one is its versatility. You can use it on various electrical components, including battery terminals and electrical panels. Its innovative straw technology helps you reach those tight spots in the engine bay. Berryman 2211 wins the bronze medal. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is your go-to option. Its fast-drying formula sets it apart. When you're working on your car, time is precious, and this product helps you get back on the road quickly. Now let me show you how to clean your MAF sensor properly. But first, a warning: always let your engine cool down completely before starting this process. For this job, you'll want to gather your chosen MAF sensor cleaner, some essential tools for removing the sensor, clean gloves, and a clean, lint-free cloth. Having everything ready before you start will make the process much smoother. Let me walk you through the cleaning process step by step. Start by locating your MAF sensor, typically positioned between your air filter and engine. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector, then remove the sensor itself. Usually this involves removing a couple of screws. When handling the sensor, always hold it by its housing and avoid touching the sensing elements at all costs. Next, apply the cleaner in short, controlled bursts, focusing specifically on the sensing elements. The key here is to let it dry completely. Rushing this step can lead to problems later. Once it's scorched, carefully reinstall everything in reverse order. The difference can be dramatic. Listen to how this engine runs before and after cleaning. Notice the smoother idle and better throttle response. This simple maintenance task can transform your car's performance. Let me share some professional insights I've gained from years of experience. It's crucial to avoid using regular electronics cleaners or brake cleaners on your MAF sensor, as these can leave harmful residues or damage sensitive components. Always stick to cleaners designed explicitly for MAF sensors. While at it, consider replacing your air filter when cleaning your MAF sensor. This combination helps prevent future contamination and extends the life of your newly cleaned sensor. While cleaning your MAF sensor is an excellent DIY task that can save you money, knowing when to seek professional help is essential. If you've cleaned the sensor properly and you're still experiencing issues, it might be time for a replacement sensor. Don't hesitate to consult a professional if you're unsure. This guide helps you choose the right sensor cleaner and gives you the confidence to tackle this maintenance task yourself. Remember, a clean MAF sensor means better performance, fuel economy, and a happier engine. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips and electrical guides. Also, please comment below if you have any questions or share your experience with MAF sensor cleaning. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next video.